ka surjong phi ka thang jangi.
Meghalaya State Cabinet kalarai ban pynjlan ya ka samoi tre kam jong ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC da ka ba bnai. Usumbot menteri rangba Prestun Tingsong uloong ba kani ka jing ya pynjlan kan ai por ya ka council banyak keren bat ka jing perkhat banya halor ka jing penkela ya ki kindon ki bala ban khang ya ki jing ya shimbanta jong ki bamdei ki diulu. Ula kenua ru ba arpuing ngot ki khot ka district council kilapen kila ya ukli nong sanshar hadian balapen mi ya ka jingpen bana ka bakhang ya ki bamde ki diulu henry om shamladon ka jingya kran patba ni ka jingya sulok ka bapura
Hills Autonomous District Council. After deliberation, after discussion, all the details, then the cabinet has decided to extend the terms of the present house of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council for a period of 6 months with effect from 18 April 2026 up to 18 October 2026. This is the decision taken by the cabinet today. If you have any question, please, all of you, that again today in the morning, the CM of the district council, Sri Albinos Armara, has resigned from the post of CM, and I'm also happy to inform to all of you that again in the afternoon of today, again the house has elected new CM by the name of Sri Dharmanath CH Sangma. So the new EC is now in place again, and with the decision taken by the cabinet today to extend the term of the house for another 6 months, now we leave it to the wisdom of the new executive committee to take a call on the issue of scheduled tribe or on the issue of contesting election both by tribal and non-tribal as far as Garo Hills Autonomous District Council is concerned. It's the common phenomena. You can't just say like that. Since about 21 MDCs, I think you knew it well, that day before yesterday, they paraded themselves and met the Honorable Governor. All the 21 of them, as per the rules, since they are there 20 and above. So the governor ultimately, in his wisdom, take a call or take a decision. And accordingly, that day, he decided that the issue of CEM or the issue of leadership needs to be proved inside the house. That's why special session was called, because you need to understand chairman of this council is the elected post. It's a constitutional post. If you want to remove, it should be inside the house, not outside the house. It should be inside the house, prove the majority. But let me just tell you one thing. Today, before the session starts, the former CM of the District Council, Sri Albinos Armara, he submitted his resignation well before he faced the no confidence inside the house.
There were some differences between the party and the CEM, outgoing CEM.
Sorry?
There were some differences between NPP